Eco Hybrid. Today, I'm going to introduce something new about hybrids. For conventional dryers, you had to choose either energy saving or time saving. Both features are important, but users could only benefit from one or the other. So we began to think really hard. Why can't we choose both? In the Eco Hybrid dryer, an additional dryer device has been added to the heat pump, giving you a wider range of choice. Let's start drying with Eco mode. Through the heat pump, you can fully dry your laundry using 50% less energy compared to an A-rated dryer. But what if you are in a hurry? You definitely need a faster dryer. That's when you need Speed mode. With Speed mode, you can dry at a much faster speed, maintaining the efficiency level of an A-rated dryer. The Eco Hybrid dryer allows you to adjust energy efficiency and speed any way you want. Some clothes, like these, easily shrink. Let's try drying at a low temperature using only the heat pump. The shrinking rate for the clothes has significantly reduced. Drying a large amount of clothes, lint is bound to form. Then it begins to pile up in the condenser. The Eco Hybrid dryer self-cleans the condenser up to 7 times per cycle. As a result, the lint washes away cleanly. And its high performance level is maintained even after long periods of use without the need for cleaning. A product that enables a selection of both efficiency and performance. The LG Eco Hybrid dryer broadens your choice. The new innovation, LG Eco Hybrid dryer.